fun again. Good morning, everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, a bit better. Right, well, welcome to Natureland, everyone. My name's Laura. Just one of the seal keepers here takes care of these beautiful creatures. Now, before I start, I need each and every single one of you to be well aware of the fact you do stand a chance of getting wet. I'm very sorry about this, guys, because some of the splashing will have something to do with me. Then again, the soaking has nothing to do with me and everything to do with them. So, we start our introduction off with the oldest seal in the pool. Now, she's 34 years old. She's very important to us here at Natureland. She was, of course, the first to be born here, but she's very talented. Now, she can actually spin on command, so I'm hoping she's going to demonstrate this. Are you ready? We're aiming for 3, any more is just a bonus, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. We aim for 4 and head for 5. Good girl, well done, well done. Okay, well, you have to come to the edge because you had a round of applause. Mini bow. Good girl, well done. Now, we also have 2 14-year-olds. Now, 2 14-year-olds are called Fergie and Victoria. Now, Fergie is just there. She's got dark speckles going down her neck towards her chest. And this is Victoria. She has pink beauty spots inside of her left eye. There you go, Fergie. Oh, sorry, love. A bit of a slap. Okay, to the youngsters. Hiya, Ollie. Can you create a bit more of a splash? Head that way and then create a splash. Pixie, do you want to say hi to everyone? Good girl. Okay, Ollie, are you ready, mate? Splash away. Good boy, good girl. Okay. Right. Leave more in the pool then, guys. You're getting a bit excited there. Okay, Ollie. At the back is the only male in the pool. That means when he's older, oh, sorry about that, guys. He's going to be the dominant male. He'll find all the parts and be the ruler. Now, we also have Pixie. Yes, come on then. Now, Pixie and Ollie look identical. The only way you can tell them apart is Pixie doesn't have a tail. Pixie is born with a tail deficiency and her tail will never ever grow. But it doesn't bother her in the slightest. Pixie, if I throw this fish, you are going to have to move really fast. You ready? Get it, get it, get it! Good girl, well done. Good girl. Right. Oh, leave some more in the pool, guys. Okay, who's going to give me a flipper? Are you going to give me a flipper? She's like, no, my hair come off. Right. I need a seal. Which seal's going to happen? Are you, not you. You need to come over here. I know I said a flipper, but I didn't mean that sort. You need to come right to the edge. Right to the edge, right to the edge. Come out. You know you have a foot rub. Give it a proper foot rub. Proper rub, love. There we go. Right, now at the end of the seal's flippers, you'll find they've got claws. Now they use the claws. Granny! Poor Pixie! Pixie, my love, do you want to surface? Pixie! Go. Now, at the end of the seal... Did you not eat that one either? Oh. Now, at the end of the seal flippers, you'll find they have got claws. They use the claws for many different types of reasons. One, to go for any excess feathers. One, two, to keep any feathers away from them. Now, are we going to get the seals? Use their flippers again. Yeah, that's right, Pixie. Many different ways you can use your flippers, isn't there? But this way is the way where they demonstrate speed. They're going to do this by using their front flippers for the steering, and their rear flippers push through the water just a little bit faster. So, you may find you get splashed. I'm very sorry if I'm to blame for it. Okay, are we ready? We'll head one over that way. Good boy, Ollie. Break you in slowly. Good girls. You have to move for your food, love. Good girl. Oh dear! Cheeky Mr. Seagull!
How did you get there?
Still falling cheating. Okay. You weren't fast enough, guys.
Look, he's like waiting for an opportunity. Oh, I got wet in the face. Walking up the pressure. No, push you on.
Okay. Right. Well, now I'm going to do something we like to call self-service. I'm going to count to 3 on that third cap container. Gets emptied into the water and the seals will fill the leftovers. This is your favourite part, isn't it? Yeah. Come on then, guys. What about you two? Are you coming over? Okay. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now the fish the seals are eating here are herrings and sprats. It does mean they're getting a bit of a variety. However, out in the wild they are very opportunist feeders, eating herrings, sprats, flatfish, sandals, crab and occasionally even squid. Okay, well that's it now from the adult seals. We're saying goodbye. Good girl. So see you later everyone. Good girl. Okay, well that's it now from the adult seals. I'm now going to go and take a break. Thank you very much guys.